I'm Butch Haze with Compass Real Estate, and I am so excited to bring you my latest listing at 3636 Baker Street in the heart of the Marina District. One of our favorite locations in all of San Francisco. The Marina District is absolutely wonderful. We're across from the Palace of Fine Arts, and what makes this house so special is the fact that it's on an extra wide lot. We're almost 35 feet wide, so all the rooms have just amazing scale. We have a Santa Barbara style inside, a very East Coast vibe that's just elevated to the 10th degree. I can't wait to show you inside. And the heart of every home is the kitchen. And at 3636 Baker, no exception here. This is one of the most exceptional kitchens in all of San Francisco. What I love about it is it's a walkout patio, great for that morning coffee, all the marble here, so much storage. It's the entire length of the home, so 35 feet. It's absolutely one of the best kitchens in all of San Francisco. Sophisticated, elevated. Thank you so much for taking this wonderful tour through 3636 Baker with me. I can't wait to see you soon.